Today we are going to discuss the question answers of family values of class 5th standard EVS part 1, which is of civics. Here the first question is fill in the blanks. First one is honesty is our dash. हमको लिखना है इस blank के अंदर strength. Honesty is our strength. Second है everyone needs dash in public life. We have to put in the blank cooperation. Everyone needs cooperation in public life. हमको इस blank में लिखना है cooperation. थर्ड है dash has special significance in our country. We have to put in the blank tolerance. Tolerance has special significance in our country. Fourth one is by developing a sense of equality, everyone gets an opportunity to learn and make progress. We have to put in the blank learn. Fifth one is be a part of the dash process in your home. We have to put in the blank decision making. Be a part of the decision making process in your home. Sixth one is dash persons are respected by everyone. We have to put in the blank honest. Honest persons are respected by everyone. Now you can take the screenshot of this question. Now the second questions. Question number 2. Select the appropriate alternatives from those given in the bracket and complete the following statements. First is if we are dash, we do not have to be afraid. We will put here honest. If we are honest, we do not have to be afraid. Second is dash can be preserved through tolerance. Diversity can be preserved through tolerance. We will put in the blank diversity. Third one is diversity dash our social life. We will put here enriches. Diversity enriches our social life. Fourth is women should get dash opportunities of making progress as men. Women should get equal opportunities of making progress as men. Fifth one is dash opinions which are different from ours is called as tolerance. Dash we will have to put in the blank respecting. Respecting opinions which are different from ours is called tolerance. Sixth one is we lose our self-confidence when we are dash. We lose our self-confidence when we are dishonest. We have to put in the blank dishonest. Now you can take the screenshot of this question. Now question number 3. Indicate gender discrimination by putting cross mark and gender equality by putting tick mark in the box against the statement. First is boys' uniforms, textbooks and bags are purchased first. The same is put off for the girls. Here in the box we will make a cross mark because this is gender discrimination. Second is Raju began to cry when his team lost a kabaddi match. Thereupon Dinesh said, "Why are you crying like a girl?" In the box we will make a cross mark because this is gender discrimination. Third is Vandana is given dolls and household things to play, whereas she likes to play cricket. In the box we will make a cross mark. Fourth is Sarika helps her mother in cooking and household chores. Her brother is never asked to do the same. In the box we will make a cross mark because this is gender discrimination. Now you can take the screenshot of this question. Now question number 4. Answer the following questions in one line sentence each. First one is who should make or take decisions regarding changes in our environment? The answer is everyone who lives in our surrounding. area should make decisions regarding changes in our environment. The second question is, what is tolerance? The answer is, respecting opinions which are different from our own is called tolerance. The third question is, what is gender equality? Answer is, boys and girls or men and women are equal as human beings. Considering boys and girls to be equal without discrimination is called gender equality. Fourth is, what are the common needs of men and women? Food, clothing, shelter, health and education are the common needs of men and women. The fifth question is, who makes or takes decision regarding public matters? The government we elect makes decision regarding public matters. This is the answer. Question number 6. How can we be a part of public decision making process? The answer is, if we feel that a decision made by the government is wrong, we can register our opinion. In this way, we can be a part of the decision making process. The question number 7 is, how do the players improve their performance in a team game? The answer is, the players improve their performance in a team game by cooperating with one another. Question number 5 is, answer in brief 2 to 3 lines the following questions. First question is, how do we develop a sense of tolerance? Answer is, sometimes there are disagreements even between friends. At such times, we must try to understand the point of view of others instead of Question number 5. Answer in brief 2 to 3 lines the following questions. First is, how do we develop a sense of tolerance? The answer is, sometimes there are disagreements even between friends. At such times, we must try to understand the point of view of others instead of insisting that only our point of view is correct. In this way, we develop a sense of tolerance. The second question is, what is honest behavior? The answer is, sometimes we make mistakes. When we realize that we have made a mistake, we should talk about it openly with our friends and family. This is called as honest behavior. The question number 3 is, state the advantages of honesty in public life. The answer is, honesty can increase the efficiency in public life. Honesty is the best way to increase discipline and efficiency in public life. The fourth question is, state the advantages of cooperation. Answer is, everyone needs cooperation in public life. Fairs, rallies and other such gatherings can only be arranged successfully if we cooperate with one another. Now you can take the screenshot of these questions and answers. Question number 6. Give reason for the following statement. The first one is, men and women must get equal opportunities to make progress because boys and girls and men and women are equal as human beings. By developing this sense of equality, everyone gets to learn and make progress. Question number 2. Tolerance has special significance in our country because people from various religions, creeds, cultures and following different customs live here. That is why it is necessary for everyone to be tolerant. Now you can take the screenshot of these two questions. Question number 7. Answer the following questions in 4 to 5 sentences each. First one is, briefly explain the value gender equality. Answer is, boys and girls or men and women are equal as human beings. Considering boys and girls to be equal without discrimination is called as gender equality. Boys and girls must respect each other. In the company of our friends, we consider all of them to be our equals. We must maintain this sense of equality as citizens when we grow up. Now question number 2. Briefly state the family values. Answer is, we live together in a family. Every person's likes, dislikes, thoughts and opinions can differ. We consult each other and make decisions that everyone agrees with. In this way, we can be a part of the decision making in the family. We must try hard to keep the trust in any relationship and never cheat. In a family, we cooperate with each other. We can solve our family problem by being tolerant and broad minded. Similarly, boys and girls and men and women must get equal opportunities of progress. Now you can take the screenshot of this question. Below there are open-ended questions. If you want the answer of these questions also, you can comment me below.